On May 15th, I'll be giving a workshop presentation-y type thing on basically 3 case studies in making 3 of my 4 short films at different budget levels. One at $750, a no-budget film, one at about $10,000 self-financed, and then one on my latest film at $60,000 with support from funding bodies like Canada Council for the Arts. And so as I prepare this presentation, I'd love any feedback on what you, if you're making short films or films, what you might be interested in hearing about in a presentation like this. Of course, there's a link in the description if you want to sign up for the workshop. It's only $20. It's none of that's going to me. It's all going to this not-for-profit organization that does great work. They've helped me in my career, helping me get a job at Mattel with resume services. They've also helped me with artist coaching by pairing me with mentors from arts, from an artist with Cirque du Soleil to legal. So they've really helped me on my journey. I'm excited to give back. But the first step in me giving this presentation on making short films at 3 different budget levels is figuring out what people might want to learn about. So if this is something you're interested in, please drop a comment with what you might want to know about at these 3 different budget levels. Some of the bullet points that I have are obviously grant writing. I think every artist wants to know how to get more money to survive, but also to create their vision. Personal marketing is a component, things like videos like this. Film markets, labs. I think this is something that a lot of people, a lot of artists don't really know too much about, and I've been fortunate in the last year or so to participate in. Film festivals. This is something that I've continued to learn about. A tier, B tier, how organizations like Telefilm recognize festivals that kind of open the next phase, and there's a bit of gatekeeping there where it's like you need this stamp on your passport to validate so that someone who's looking at your application, who has to read like 10,000 applications, can just say, oh, they did this, they were at this festival. We can kind of bump them along with a little less due diligence to make sure they're deserved. I don't necessarily believe in this, but there's a system here that I'm learning. Awards, distribution, and licensing. Having licensed 2 of these 3, well, one's not out yet, but the 2 that went out were licensed by CBC, which I'm pretty proud of as an independent filmmaker. So that's kind of where I'm at. I don't know if that made any sense, but at the core of it, it's like May 15th, giving a workshop on 3 short films at 3 different budget levels. There's a link if you want to sign up. But if you can help me understand what you might want to learn about, if you think you're in this demographic, then that'll help me create and tailor this presentation. So any help's appreciated. Thanks.